Hello there, and welcome back to ZR for Business. Today, we're talking about Australia's export boom in light of trade conditions and where SMEs are looking for new and favourable land spots. In June 2025, Australia's export economy is thriving, and it's not just about mining anymore. From critical minerals to clean tech and premium beef, Aussie businesses are finding new global demand. And for SMEs, that means big opportunity. Let's break down what's driving Australia's export growth and how your business can tap in. First up, minerals and resources are still king. Iron ore and lithium are flowing fast to China, India, Japan, and now Europe. Australia's status as a safe and reliable supplier is more valuable than ever. Then there's agriculture. In April 2025, Australian grain-fed beef exports hit a record 37,000 tonnes, with China taking a third of that. Even with a projected drop in agri-exports this year, the premium demand for Aussie food remains strong, and don't overlook international education. With enrolments from Asia rebounding, SMEs in edtech, student housing, and services are cashing in. But perhaps the biggest disruptor? Green energy exports. Australian clean hydrogen and solar tech are now in high demand across Japan, Singapore, and Germany. So what does all of this mean for SMEs? In 2024, average SME turnover sat at $2.1 million, driven in part by lamb, wine, and rare earth exports. But fewer than 2% of Aussie businesses actually export. That might be a missed opportunity. To compete globally, SMEs must diversify into emerging markets, digitally market with a global mindset, build sustainability into their brand, and tap into trade support from groups like Export Finance Australia and Austrade. And of course, we can't not talk tariffs. Yes, tariff shifts are happening. The US now applies a 10% tariff on most Aussie goods. This will probably be different tomorrow and whenever you are watching this video, and EU trade talks are still ongoing. But Chinese demand is surging, especially with US trade tensions pushing more Chinese buyers to Australian suppliers. Australia's export future is bright, dynamic, and ready for SME innovation. If you're in business and not looking abroad, now's the time to consider doing so. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe to stay ahead of business and marketing trends with ZR for Business.